Have I bothered you?
No.
So thank you. So
Very
you are
nice
so
to meet
kind,
you.
and thank you so much.
No
So
worries.
please, I will tell you something. Right? How is my English?
Very good, yeah.
Oh, that's
We understand you very well.
because whenever I use sometimes you use wanna means want connected wanna.
Oh, wanna.
What is the
It's just a short way of saying it. So I wanna do something.
It's like want, but it's just
Want
like
to.
shorter. It's the same
Okay.
meaning as want.
want to and wanna?
Yeah.
Same thing.
But you how to pronounce it?
Wanna.
Wanna. I
wanna-
to go. I
I-
wanna to go.
Yeah.
No, I wanna. You don't use the twos. I wanna.
Yeah. That's the problem. I did lots of it. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah. So you
Whenever-
say, I wanna go to the movies.
So whenever you use wanna, so don't use to.
Two.
Yeah, you don't use the
Yeah.
two. So want to is more formal.
Yeah.
And better to use. But if you say wanna, it's less formal. So I wanna go swimming.
Yeah.
That kind of thing.
And other what was your name?
Olivia.
So what does it mean?
I don't know.
So
I don't know. I don't know what Olivia means. Like olives? I don't know.
what? What is it?
Emma, I don't know.
Yeah.
My name is swapnil. Swapnil means dreamy. In India, swapnil, dreamy man. I have lots of things. Swapnil means dream.
Yeah.
So what was your? I was.
Olivia.
Oh, it doesn't. In England, we don't necessarily have meanings. It just
It's
is
just a
just a name.
Or like after something or after someone.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know.
So what is the difficult word for you?
Difficult word. Lots of words. Difficult words.
Discombobulated.
What?
Discombobulated.
Discombobulated. Am I right?
Yeah, discombobulated.
So what does it mean?
It means when your brain isn't quite working right and you're just a bit confused. You're discombobulated. It's like
You're
confused.
It will be my bucket list, no?
Yeah.
So what is in your bucket list? I got the bucket list.
On my bucket list is to. Ooh, what is on my bucket list? I do have bucket list. I can't remember actually.
What will you do when this happens?
To be fair, I'd love to be an astronaut.
Astronaut.
Yeah.
But you are doing nursing.
I know, but my passion is medicine.
Have you ever
But
been to NASA?
Huh?
NASA.
Yeah, I've heard of them. Yeah.
So what is your basic language? Means, you are a native English speaker, no?
Yeah.
So do you know about NASA?
Yeah.
No, we know NASA. Yeah.
Yeah.
You are from London. I'm not that much know
Our
about
friend,
London.
our friend worked with NASA for a bit.
Yeah, that's a great.
Yeah.
Yeah. For you are, if you want to become an astronaut, then you should know about NASA.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no,
exactly. We know
NASA.
about NASA,
Sorry,
but
I'm
we
just kidding, but-
no. My passion is medicine. Though.
So
But I love
you are in
stars.
third year of this first year. What is
Third year.
So what is your degree? Another what? You do?
So I'm studying. So I've done sort of like the basic medical stuff, and now I'm looking specifically in like into brains and stuff like that. I want to be a brain surgeon.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Pretty
You will
good.
be used doctor. And you?
Well, I want to be a lawyer, so I'm going through.
Yeah,
the,
you are a lawyer. You
Yeah.
you
I'm in
just
second
definitely-
year.
You wanted to judge or just lawyer?
I think just lawyer. Yeah. I'm
I
working.
saw that videos on YouTube. That one lawyer, he almost took you board, but his videos on viral on YouTube. I don't know his name, but he's very kind and he give. Hey, what's what you think? What kind of difference you see in India and your country?
Well, I think the people here are a lot more friendly and
in
welcoming.
your country?
A lot more sort of busy too, doing what they want. Like
Yeah.
people don't really stop as much to say hello. It's sort of like
Everyone's on a tight schedule.
yeah,
Everyone's very
one
busy.
thing on mind is just to get to their next destination.
But you like Indian weather or just
We like Indian weather.
Yeah.
We like hot weather.
that's a great thing. No, who is your what we can say?
Oh, Prime Minister.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are correct. He's
Yeah.
you got it what I want to say.
Rishi Sunak.
Oh,
He's from India.
Miss London is from UK. Yeah, now I got it. Sorry. Yeah, Rishi Sunak.
Rishi Sunak.
He's from India. So how do you feel about Indian guy who become a prime minister?
He's pretty good. He's
So
like
India,
him?
like
Yeah.
Prime Minister of.
We like him.
he's Prime Minister of England.
Do you like his work?
Yeah.
So far, yeah.
He's very set on the economy.
Economy.
Yeah, he's very big on economics.
And his child, he lives from there from childhood, I think.
Yeah, I think he's grown up in England.
Yeah.
He went to school. He went to a school called Winchester.
He is what?
Winchester. It's a boys' school in England. Yeah.
Your previous year is really different. So now, please tell me what is the difference between alphabets and letter.
Well, alphabet's like
same
all
thing.
of the
All of the letters.
It's made up. How many
It's the
letters?
same thing,
26. It's made up of 26 letters.
So the alphabet is made up of the letters. So the alphabet is the name of all of the letters together.
Together, 26 means alphabet and one.
And one of them is a letter.
One letter.
So, have you ever someone asked you this type of question?
Oh no, I don't think
Not
so.
really,
I
no.
want to. I'm right. How is my English?
Very good, yeah.
Oh, that's
We understand you very well.
because it's my fourth time and I missed one TikToker and Instagrammer. He has lots of subscribers, but I have no idea. He gave me his study I know that. But he's from Germany. I learned from some words from him. I uploaded on YouTube as well in Instagram. And over there one is UK. And now for a few minutes ago I meet Poland.
Poland.
So you both are fit. So thank you so much.
No worries.
Have I bothered you?
No.
So thank
It's
you.
very
You are
nice
so
to meet
kind
you.
and thank you so much.
No
So
worries.
please, I will tell you something.